Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up the week of February 13th through the 19th. Yes, this is Valentine's Day week. In my dashboard planner, this is the planner I use for social media. The theme I'm going with, I've been doing kind of different spins on combining different challenges all week because almost all of them have something to do with Valentine's Day or could be tied into Valentine's Day, like Pretty in Pink or whatnot. And so for this, I feel like I've done kind of them all. I've checked them all off. So for this one, I decided to go ahead and use something new that had caught my eye. So I have the Winter Florals Volume 2 by KaiserCraft. This is the newest one because there was a set of stickers in here, these, which they're very, very pretty. I love the colors, the color palette of these, but I was really intrigued by these heart-shaped cutout florals, and so I decided I didn't want to let the holiday go by without using these. I mean, I could probably work them in later in the year, like for my birthday or for our anniversary or something like that, but I did want to go ahead and use them. And then I was trying to figure out how can I make them more unique and use more of them. And what I thought about doing was taking the days over here that I don't need as many lines and seeing about putting maybe some of these stickers on there. So when I look at these, Sunday, let's see, I need lots of lines on Monday, Tuesday, not Wednesday, not Thursday. My busy days are Monday and Tuesday. So if I go Wednesday, Thursday, Sunday, with a sticker like this, I think that'll work. So let's start with, say, this one, or no. Yeah, let's start with this one. So I figure there are about 3 stickers here that I can use. So if I put this like here, let's see, let's kind of center it. Or do I want to go more toward, yeah, let's just go ahead and center it. Why not? I can fit enough bullet points on here. I only need 3 lines, so I'll put 4 just in case an additional thing comes up, but I can get 3 or 4 lines on there, so that's fine. Let's go ahead and grab these other 2 then and do the same thing. So for Thursday, I'm just going to go ahead and do Thursday and Wednesday, so it kind of, I think I'll do, yeah, since these 2 are similar in tone, let's separate them out a little bit more. Oops, there we go. And we'll put the red one in the middle. And then I'm not going to do that, finish the zigzag with another one over my days of the week. This one, because I do write on all 7 of those, and these stickers aren't big enough for that. Although, as I'm speaking to you, I'm thinking to myself, I could use a double box sticker to cover up that space. So one of these, except that there's not space for this one could work because I always put coffee in that corner anyway. I don't have green over there. So let's just see. I can, yeah, this could work. There we go. All right, so this side, we're doing pretty good. I want to go ahead and put stat boxes on here. I have pulled these as my bullet points because if you can't use red heart bullet points on Valentine's Day, I almost said Halloween. How random is that? When else can you use them? So I'm going to use these. I've also pulled a Sticker Whisperer box book. So I hardly ever use this box book, but I do like it. There are so many different sizes and shapes of boxes in here, and I just felt like the red, not the green, but the red, I feel like that matches this color palette close enough. So I'm going to use these. I'm going to grab my super pointy tweezers. These are for artificial eyelash extensions. I do have an Amazon affiliate link to them in the description box. Don't hesitate when it comes to affiliate links. They don't cost you any extra. All they do is take a couple pennies of the profit and redirect them to whoever provided the link to you as a show of support. So I'm just going to put these on all my days and a stat box on every day, and I'll be back. I'm not sure I mentioned I got these bullet points from AliExpress, which is basically the Asian equivalent of Amazon. If you go on and do a search on washi dots or washi bullets, you will get bunches and bunches of options. Do I need box stickers in all these different places? Not really, but use the stickers, right? I have more than enough to go around, so why not? I think what I'll do is put a white functional word up there. Oh, one last thing, I forgot. I'm gonna grab a super pointy micron and just write the days of the week over top of these hearts. It might be a little hard to see on camera, but I don't check those off. They are my days of the week. Let's grab, I know I've got a small shop YouTube video. Since that's so dark, I don't think a clear sticker is going to show up over top of it very well. So we'll go ahead and grab my, here we go, small shop white paper YouTube video sticker. That's what I put in this box, what video is posting each day. There we go. It really only changes mostly on Monday and Tuesday, but it's fun to put it on there. All right, so this side looks pretty darn good. For this side, let's white some stuff out. Basically, I'm gonna white out, going to white out everything because I'm using street cleaner going by. I'm using the clear decorative stickers in a lot of places. Hopefully, we'll find out when I edit. You can hear me over that. Okay, so now we've got some color scheme established. Let's come over here. So I was thinking what I could do on this side is maybe use these two stickers here and here. So I have the florals coming in because they're not quite wide enough to go from edge to edge. So, and then I can stick one of these in the center as an accent. Let's start with that. So again, with the super pointy tweezers, because sometimes it's really hard to get these super thin plastic stickers started, and the super pointy tweezers help with that immensely. All right. And it's gonna cover up a couple of these bottom bullet points, but that's okay. I don't need them all. So just like with washi tape, don't pull your sticker super tight. You always run the risk of it stretching a tiny little bit, and then it'll contract back to its natural state and cause your page to curl. Didn't quite lay that one straight, but I can trim it. Okay, same thing with the other one, and then I'll grab my punch and punch it. I'm not super thrilled about this harsh edge here, but I think when I have some writing over top of it, it'll help with that. I'm a little bit unhappy that these stickers are not the same height. That's really weird. I don't understand what's going on there. It looks like they're different heights. Maybe it's just because these bullet points don't line up exactly. That might be what's throwing me off. I do think I want to go ahead and white out these two though. And maybe my heart can go right here to bridge that gap. I'm not sure. So let's see then what... I could go ahead and put a couple of big box stickers on here. It's going to have to be, though, those that don't have a whole lot of deco on them. So she doesn't really have big plain box stickers. Let's look in here. Yeah, I think I do. I think I want to go ahead and put a couple of big box stickers on there. So for let's grab the same red out of this book. Here we go. So these could go this way or this way. Let's use 2 of these. So these basically are just double, classic size, double box stickers. Yeah, that's gonna help. If I come all the way over, do I want to come all the way over? I don't think I want to come all the way over. I think I want to come to here. And that kind of helps dampen down that super sharp edge there. Same thing on this side. Let's go ahead. I'm going to speed it up while I go ahead and put more bullet points on there. Then I can go ahead and do a couple of do I want layered boxes? Maybe I'll just go ahead and do white stickers outside of a box, even though that this border isn't as wide. To kind of mimic that look a little bit, maybe we'll just go ahead and do similar to that on the border so that it mimics. So I'm just thinking, I like this work to do. It's super skinny. And it can sit right on top of that border. No, you know what? I think since I don't have a second one that matches that font, let's go ahead and grab 2 that match. So we'll do filming. That's a little better. That fills this space a little better. And let's go ahead and do themes as well. So it's not exactly the same because the border isn't as wide, but it definitely feels cohesive this way. Okay, so I want to cover up this whiteout. I think that's going to be my perfect spot to either put habit trackers, which is the last functional thing I need, or that heart sticker that I wanted to use. So for example, I like this one. Or I could put a floral coming down from these 2 boxes to kind of finish off this straight run since this peters out. Maybe I should do that. That one's pretty wide. Maybe this one. I think this one might come down far enough. Not really anything there. This one's got a nice flat edge too. Let's use this one. Oh yeah, that's going to work great. And then I think I probably want my hearts down here because if I put them anywhere else, they're going to be overshadowed by the rest of this stuff. So this one seems pretty eye-catching with the cutout. Maybe I should use this one. That one's a little bit less, stands out a little bit less. But let's actually stop there for a sec and do my oh, and I want a quote. That's why I pulled the quote book. Okay, so I want to do my little trick with the 3 habit trackers. Maybe. This is a good color. Ooh, was there an olive green? I don't have as much green over here. Not really. That's kind of lime and that's kind of emerald. I could do black to help it stand out. I think I need that burgundy though. I think I need this one. So what I like to do is, and I'll just go ahead and do it while I'm talking to you. I'm going to grab my little pointy ceramic tipped cutter, and what I like to do, I need 3 habit trackers. So I like to cut monthly off, and then 1 set of boxes I cut that off, and that way I have my 3 habit trackers. And so what this pen knife, this little ceramic pen tip allows me to do is kiss cut. So I cut through the sticker paper, but not the backing page that it's stuck to. It keeps me from cutting too deep. So if you're a novice, you're just figuring out how to kiss cut, that is a good tool to help you keep from cutting too deep. There we go. Okay, so that's my habit tracker. I like that. That looks pretty. And I do have then like stickers like this where I can mark what they are. They're Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So let's go ahead and just keep all the functional stuff kind of up here, I think. And then I either need tiny little Facebook, YouTube, Instagram words or little icons. I think I want little icons this week. And these stickers are from AlexandraNicolePlans, the ones I am using here. I will link them. All of my small shop stickers are linked in the description box. So then last but not least, I need a quote, maybe two, if I can find a really skinny one to do some sticker surgery on. And then whatever heart will fit. So I have the Rainbow Quotes by Kel of a Plan. And I thought I would, I did this in an earlier video, look for pinky red quotes that can have a double meaning. They can be about your personal life and your work life. I'll know it when I see it and I'll explain. Don't want snark. Maybe I should go with black stickers because I'm going to have a little bit of trouble matching the color, but also because I think the black will stand out a little better if I can find a sticker for right here and then put the hearts. Like, I love this Embrace Your Journey because I feel like it could be work related or romantic. And I feel like it fits. It looks like I used the pink one in a different spread this week though. Oh my gosh. This is my favorite. I think this is my favorite quote of all time. Trust the timing of your life. Let's do that. Also follow your heart. I mean, a lot of these could be interpreted as, you know, professional or personal. You know what I mean? So if I put this to one side or the other, then I can put the heart with it. I want the heart to stand out. Ooh, I kind of like, okay, so to go with this quote, I kind of like this wonky heart. Let's pull that off and figure out how they fit together in the space that I have available. So if I put it here, that would work. Yeah, let's do that. There. Super pretty. Love it. Okay, it is a very full spread. I pulled a little bit of washi tape, but I don't think I need it. I was thinking about maybe putting a little more floral on there, but it's already so much. So let's just put it in my planner and call it good. I really like how fast and beautifully that came together. So there we go. There is my Valentine's Day spread. I'll probably write on it in maybe black with red, or maybe I'll do burgundy and pink. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But I do like to use colored pens in my planner. So I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you to try different stickers in your planner, try different boxes in your planner, use the stickers. If you do like this video, please consider liking, subscribing, dropping me a smiley face or a kind word. All those interactions with my videos help me with the YouTube algorithm and are a great way to support me. Thank you.